Please welcome to the stage representatives of 2027 PanAmerican Pride, Andrea Covarrubias and Gilberto Diaz Kelly.
Hello everyone, good evening, and happy Pride Month. From the ice of Alaska to the badness of the Amazon, from the tip of the Patagonia to the shores of Quebec, America is indigenous, Black, migrant, trans, bisexual, Caribbean, mestiza, queer, bisexual, powerful, y bellísima. And for the first time in history, this entire continent will have a whole Pride event to represent it. Before we begin, let's clarify something really important. When we say America, we are not talking about one single country or a Gulf. America, it's a country. It's a continent, sorry.
Pan-American Pride is a simple but powerful idea. A continental LGBTIQ+ gathering that brings together the struggles, celebrations, and voices of the Americas. It's a traveling event that will be held every 2 years, and in 2027, its very first edition will take place in no other place than Guadalajara. Yes, a Mexican city has the birthplace of a new chapter in our queer history. This is not just a parade. It's a platform to grow, resist, celebrate, and share the best of our diverse cultures. Also, to make it unique every time, the Pan-American Pride, we have a main topic and all the events will revolve around that. Guadalajara will now begin a new continental queer tradition.
Why Guadalajara? Because Guadalajara is not just mariachi and tequila, which, of course, we have that, and a lot. Guadalajara, or Guadalajara, as we call it in Mexico, it's also the birthplace of art, activism, and vibrant queer love. It's a city that has made history in the fight over rights with the local pride that is strong, creative, and resilient. And just this last year, we gathered more than 700,000 people from all over the country. Hosting this is the result of all of the support that we held for our bid for WorldPride. The encouragement from the Orgullo Latinoamericano team was and is incredible. Thank you.
So mark this on your calendars. Set a reminder. Seriously, set a reminder. Circle it with love, because from June 10 to June 19 in 2027, Guadalajara will become the Latin-beating rainbow heart of Las Americas. 10 days of celebration, connection, and yes, a whole lot of joy, and of course, joteria.
What we will do? A parade? Absolutely. But that's just the beginning. The Pan-American Pride will host the Human Rights Forum. Will be a space for activists, governments, organizations, and allies from across the continent to gather, debate, and build solutions. The Queer Village in the heart of the city will have art, food, music, dance, film, and creative expressions. An incredible cultural event and concerts, because we deserve to joy, to laugh, to dance, to sing, and to build community through joy. Let's learn more about this through this year. Also, for the first time, we will have mentorship and learning spaces, because there's a new generation ready to lead, and we are here to handle them the mic, not to take it away.
Right now, the world is seeing a dangerous regression. In the United States, anti-trans and anti-drug laws are spreading. In Latin America, violence and discrimination continue to take lives. We can't afford to wait. We need spaces to come together, to grow stronger, and to say, we're here and we're not going anywhere. This is an event that focuses on building real, tangible coalitions across the Americas. Pan-American Pride is a strong political queer response and is a bridge between realities. It's a platform for alliance and solidarity, not only just a festival.
We expect more than 1 million people gather in Guadalajara. A strong public-private investment, yes, but more than that, an emotional, political, and cultural impact across the borders. We want every person who joins us to go back with something, a story, a connection, and inspiration to carry back their community.
Let's talk about the legacy that we will leave. This won't end in 2027. This is only the beginning. Pan-American Pride is meant to be a continental tradition, with every edition a new host city, and in every city a new opportunity to be seen, to transform, to heal, to celebrate. And now, we will present you a really sneak peek for what you will live in 2027 in our city.
In the heart of the Americas, a city in Mexico prepares to make history. Guadalajara, land of tequila, tradition, resistance, and vibrant diversity. A city that has always danced between the past and the future, and now it becomes the beating heart of a continent. For the first time ever, from Alaska to Patagonia, the Americas unite in one place, one voice, one purpose, one celebration. From June 10th to 19th in 2027, we'll live 10 unforgettable days of culture, human rights, music, love, and joy. This is more than a pride. It's a movement, a revolution of love, a legacy that begins now. We'll see you in Guadalajara for Pan-American Pride 2027, because with pride, we rise.
This will be a platform for more Latin American prides and cities with Latin prides or Latin identity to be future hosts of Pan American Pride in this whole continent. So, if you're an activist, an organization, a media platform, a city, an artist, or simply someone who believes in the power of love and dignity,
join us! Pan-American Pride is not just an event, it's a movement, it's a legacy, it's a revolution of color, ideas, and a lot of joteria.
We can wait to see you in Guadalajara in 2027, because with pride, we rise!
Please